What's going on? Kantis Simmons here, and welcome to this new video, and welcome to the new year. Maybe I'm not sure what time or day it is for you in this year, but happy New Year! Yeah, we've made it, and that's such a blessing that we've been able to make it to this part of 2023. Now, listen, one of the things that I constantly hear from people and students and parents and just a lot of people, right? Every year, we hear people talking about a new me, a new year, reaching their goals and doing a lot of amazing things, all right? But in this video, I'm going to talk about and give you 3 reasons goal setting, doesn't work. Yeah, 3 reasons goal setting doesn't work, and maybe the reason goal setting doesn't work for you. Now, because you're here, I want to definitely give you access to a really cool gift just for showing up and tuning in to this video here. If you go to playyourAgamebook.com, just because you're a friend of mine, a viewer, if you go to playyourAgamebook.com, I would love to send you a copy of one of my best-selling books. Play Your A Game is all about getting better grades. Playing Your A Game is all about finding the motivation to succeed in school. And Playing Your A Game is all about how to stay focused when you're taking those tests and studying for tests and all things that are school-related. So, hey, go over to playyourAgamebook.com. PlayyourAgamebook.com. Hey, just by way of saying thank you for being here and tuning in to this video. So let's talk about goal setting, right? Let's talk about goal setting. And let me just go ahead and say it to you this way. I believe the way that people traditionally talk about goals and approach goals, I believe that it's wrong, right? Yeah, it's wrong and it's inaccurate. Yeah, so one of the things I've been saying to people all year these last few days is quit setting goals, but set this, right? Quit setting goals, but set this. Now, let me explain, right? So I want you to look at your life. I want you to look at the last 6 months, or I want you to look at the last few years. Think about all the goals you set in the past that you haven't accomplished right now. Yeah, just think about it. Yeah, you set goals, but did you achieve goals? Let me give you 3 things to consider. All right, let me give you 3 things to consider. All right, so quit setting goals, but set this. Number 1, a lot of times when people set goals, they lack specificity. What do you mean? Like you will set a vague goal. You set a goal that's big and is actually difficult to achieve. And sometimes you may not know when you actually accomplish the goal. Number 2, in setting goals, sometimes you lack the motivation. Yeah, like what's the thing that's moving you, or what's the motive behind trying to accomplish that goal? And then number 3, a lot of people lack accountability. Yeah, you lack accountability, right? It's like you don't have anyone in your corner to push you, to keep you accountable, to make sure you're reaching those goals. All right, so here's what I would suggest that you do. All right, rather than setting goals, I'm encouraging you to set a system. Set systems versus setting goals. Now, many of my friends, and maybe you know, or maybe you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or whatever, you see every now and then I'll post videos of my morning workout, right? So I wanted to work on my body. I wanted to work on my booty do. You know what a booty do is, right? That's when your booty stick out further than your booty do. Yeah, a booty do. Yeah. So I've been working on my booty do, and so I have decided if I wanted to get the weight off of the core of my body, I have to hire a trainer. That's part of putting a system in place. Number 2, I had to get around some other young men who have the same drive to lose weight, to get fit. So some accountability partners. And then number 3, had to set some time of when I was going to the gym. All right. So number 1, I have the trainer, I have the accountability partners, and I have the time set. This is a part of my system. So now every morning I'm at the gym at 7:00 a.m. with a trainer and with some accountability partners. That's a part of my system. So now I'm not concerned about losing the 20 pounds or, increasing my cardio. I'm not concerned about that. That comes with the system, right? That comes with the system. Why? Because I have the trainer, I have the accountability partners, and I have my time set. So my biggest goal every single day is just making it to the gym at 7:00. Make it to the gym at 7:00 to see my trainer, work with my accountability buddies, and just work hard for those 30, 35 minutes. Now, indirectly, that helps me get to the goal. Same thing where school is concerned, right? Many of you may have a goal to be on the honor roll. What systems can you put in place on purpose that will just naturally propel you to the outcome that you want? Maybe there's a teacher or a mentor that you can meet with a few times during the week. Maybe there are 3 or 4 people in your life, some study buddies that can now hold you accountable for studying, hold you accountable and help you prepare for tests. And then number 3, what about taking the time just to document your time, document your notes, doing things on purpose within the system that's now going to propel you to reaching your goal. Listen, whatever big or small thing you want to accomplish this year, it starts with a system. And I believe every system, write it out. Write out the things that you're going to do, or the new habits, or the time stamps, or write out the specificities of the things that's going to need to be done so you can reach your goal. Hey, I'm encouraging you to stop setting goals, but set systems. Now listen, if you are looking to improve your life in school, or maybe you have a student that wants to improve their grades in school and improve their study skills, this is why I wrote the book, Play Your A Game. All right. Now take time every single day to read a few pages of a book. That's now going to change your mind about how you perform in school. All right. If you want access to that, simply go over to playyouragamebook.com. Playyouragamebook.com. I believe this will be the best school year of your life. Yeah, this will be the best year of your life. And it will be because you have set systems. All right, I'm Kantis Simmons, the coolest guy with 7.25 fingers. And remember this, only one game in life counts, and that's your A game. Listen, click down below, like, subscribe to this video, share this video with somebody you know. And also there's some other videos that I have coming up here that will continue to support you on your road to success. Hey, I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.